Hey everyone, this is my Pokemon vlog, and I just want to show you a few stuff. This is kind of my older stuff I found recently. This is my Pokemon Math Challenge I found when I was a little girl. And this is one of my Pokemon comic books, you might as well say. It's The Electric Tale of Pikachu. And here's one of my photos I have. It's a hang-up photo, and it's for a wall. And it's the old style Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. And then I also found this. It has all 150 Pokemon on it, and it's a poster board. And also, I recently got some new Pokemon cards I'd like to share with you. So, hold on a minute. Sometimes I get my old ones mixed up with my newer ones. Oh yeah, I love that, right? Right. Okay. Here is all my newer version of Pokemon cards. Sometimes there are some somewhat older ones too, but here's the first one. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. Yeah, it's Halo. No, this one is Halo, this one is Halo. I have two different versions of it. One Halos, one not. And here's a little tiny baby Piplup one. I think this one's really cute. Here's a Lapras card I recently got. Absol. This guy, I don't even know. Yeah, I'm basically into like the older generation like type. I'm very old school when it comes to Pokemon, but I gotta collect whenever I can. But everyone remembers who Beedrill is, right? Yeah. Here's a cool Gyarados Halo card. Here's another one for you. Metagross. It's a Halo Metagross. Here's a newer Venonat card I have. And here's a Licky. I'm sorry, but that's the most funniest thing that you could ever actually name a Pokemon is Licky. I've never heard of such thing until I actually seen it. Yeah. There's another newer version too. Here's a Shellder. If you grew up in my generation, I'm 25 now, so if you grew up in my generation, so you basically know 150 to 200, the average about kind of hard trying to keep up with the day and age. Paragon. Huh. The second. Okay, so they made a second version of Paragon. That's pretty cool. Liggly Buff. It says, oh, Liggly Buff. Oh, okay. This is actually really cute. It said Jigglypuff. It's the next one up, and it's Ligglypuff. It's so cute. Look at that. It's adorable. I don't know who this little guy is. I cannot pronounce his name, but he is really cute. Here's a cool energy card. It's Miracle Energy. Here's a cute Meowth Halo card. Just like a fish card. I can't really pronounce that one, but here's a multi-energy card. And here's a cute new little Seeking card. Here's a Breloom. See that cute little guy right there? And a Sceptile? Yeah, Sceptile. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Card. And it's also Halo. And here's some of my older ones. I have Mr. Mime. I don't know if a lot of people have that in there. Kangaskhan. And the evolution of Togepi would be Togetic. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but I basically collect Pokemon cards. I have like over 2,000 Pokemon cards. I have 5 different kind of books I have. So yeah, I collect a lot of them. But if you collect Pokemon cards, tell me how many you have and what kind of generations and so forth, and comment down below and get some conversation starting, right? Right. Well, I'll see y'all later. I hope you have a good day.